In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record using Loom with camera only, which means you'll be capturing just yourself via webcam without sharing your screen. Whether you're using the desktop app on Windows or Mac or the Chrome extension browser-based approach, I'll walk you through each method to ensure a smooth experience. Let's start with the desktop application, which works the same on both Windows and Mac devices. First, you'll want to open up Loom's desktop app. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, so once it opens, you'll immediately notice the capture mode settings. Make sure to select Camera Only, which might sometimes be labeled as Cam Only, depending on your version. This selection ensures that you'll be capturing exclusively what your webcam sees, rather than your computer's screen. Before you hit record, take a moment to check your camera and microphone settings. It's crucial to make sure that the correct devices are selected. This step ensures that your audience will both see and hear you clearly, without technical hiccups. Loom typically makes this process straightforward by letting you choose from available devices right there in the app. Once you have your devices set up correctly, you're ready to start recording. Simply press the record button, and you'll notice that only your webcam is active. No screen sharing will be involved in this mode. This setup is perfect for video messages or personal updates where the focus is solely on you. Now, if you prefer using the browser-based version with the Loom Chrome extension, the process is just as simple. Begin by clicking the Loom icon in your browser. This action will pop up the recording options menu. Here, you'll want to select Cam Only. Sometimes this option will appear by default, but other times you might need to expand the options available to find it. For a quicker setup, you might also hover over the Loom button in your browser, which will reveal quick options like Screen Only or Cam Only. Naturally, you'll want to select Cam Only for this task. This feature is handy if you're frequently switching between recording modes and want to streamline your workflow. After you've set the mode to Cam Only, you're all set to begin your recording. By confirming that only your webcam feed is being captured, you maintain focus on delivering your message or presentation without the distraction of screen content. And there you have it, a complete guide to using Loom to record camera-only content. Whether you're using the desktop app or the Chrome extension, the process is designed for ease and flexibility, making it simple to create impactful video messages focused entirely on you.